What is the difference between static and dynamic motorcycle crankshaft balancing? Have you ever wondered how motorcycle engines run so smoothly? A big part of that smooth operation comes from a process called crankshaft balancing. Today, we will look at the difference between static and dynamic motorcycle crankshaft balancing. First off, let's talk about static balancing. This method is done when the crankshaft is not moving. The goal here is to make sure the crankshaft is evenly weighted around its axis. Mechanics check the weight distribution of the crankshaft and make adjustments to achieve balance. This step is important because it lays the groundwork for the next method. Now, let's move on to dynamic balancing. Unlike static balancing, this method takes place while the crankshaft is in motion. It considers the forces acting on the crankshaft as it rotates, including the effects of connecting rods and pistons. Dynamic balancing is more precise and is essential for smooth engine operation. So, what are the key differences? First, static balancing is performed with the crankshaft at rest. In contrast, dynamic balancing is done while the crankshaft is rotating. This difference affects how each method accounts for various forces acting on the crankshaft. Next, let's discuss precision. Static balancing is often a preliminary step to get the crankshaft close to being balanced. Dynamic balancing fine-tunes that balance, ensuring the crankshaft operates smoothly and efficiently during engine use. Another point to consider is that dynamic balancing requires simulating the mass of connecting rods and other moving parts. This is not necessary in static balancing, where only the crankshaft itself is considered. In practical terms, both methods are important for motorcycle maintenance. Static balancing provides a baseline for dynamic balancing, which is crucial for ensuring that the engine runs smoothly. If the crankshaft is not balanced properly, it can lead to vibrations, reduced performance, and increased wear on engine components. Dynamic balancing is especially important for high-performance motorcycles. It ensures the crankshaft operates without excessive vibration, which can improve engine durability and performance. While static balancing is a necessary first step, dynamic balancing is essential for achieving optimal performance and longevity in motorcycle engines. Both methods work together to ensure that the crankshaft operates smoothly and efficiently, making your ride more enjoyable.